Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Destined to Triumph. Don't follow the trend. Follow your unique soul's journey. Everyone that followed the trend was focused on others rather than their inner self. Advice is good, but everyone has wisdom within, calling them to their untapped potential and greatness. The trend follows the perceived right, but the soul follows its unique purpose. Destined to triumph. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this poem. I believe that if you follow what you truly love, that's what you're here for, I believe. Not the ego's wants and desires. I believe it's if you slow your vibrations down, calm down, and you can find that inside. You might not find it right away, but if you keep slowing the vibrations down and get out of this egotistic world, you'll find what you came here for, I believe. I believe we all came here for a purpose. And it's just a matter of time before you figure that out. Sometimes it takes a horrific accident. But I believe that if you follow your heart, you'll always be happy. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.